Good morning everybody and welcome to class number 17. Previous class I will discuss about dipole. What is dipole? Dipole is what? Two equal charge and opposite polarity are placed at separation between small distance separation between them. Yes or no? वो dipole टोटल डाइपोल का टोटल चार्ज जीरो है, इसे वो सब बता दिया था प्रीवियस क्लास में, ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन प्रीवियस क्लास, बट नाउ डिस्कस इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट. व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट? राइट डाउन, इट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ magnitude of each charge and distance separation between them. सुनो, सो डाइपोल क्या है? प्लस क्यू माइनस क्यू, सेंटर एल डिस्टेंस, सेंटर टू positive charge and center to negative charge similarly same distance, total distance is 2l distance. Yes or no? So it is denoted as P. P is what? Magnitude of each charge plus q minus q. Magnitude of each charge means q. This one, magnitude of each charge means q plus or minus. This one, and distance between two charges 2l, so that is equal to 2ql. This one, it is also called strength of dipole. It is also called strength of dipole. So you can write this is the electric dipole moment. Yes or no? So then after this you can write characteristics of dipole moment. You can write characteristics of dipole moment. Of dipole moment. It is vector quantity. P vector is equal to QL. Listen, so it is directed from negative to positive. Negative charge, positive charge direction, dipole moment direction in this direction, negative to positive. So no. So this is all about characteristic of dipole moment. Then after this we can study the electric field at any point axial line and equatorial line. एक्सियल लाइन क्या है उसको आपको मालूम होगा. एक्सियल लाइन क्या है? एक्सियल लाइन द लाइन जॉइनिंग बिटवीन टू चार्जेस एंड पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ डाइपोल, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सियल लाइन. बट एक्सियल लाइन एक पॉइंट चूज करने के बाद इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होता, वो इक्वेटोरियल लाइन पे एक पॉइंट चूज करने के बाद इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा वो सब कुछ जानकारी मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो make a heading, the electric field at any point on axial line or end on position of dipole moment of dipole. So electric field at any point on axial line or end on position in dipole. Yes or no? इसको काउंसलिंग में आ रहा है एक्सियल लाइन or end-on position or tan position. Listen. So dipole क्या है? पॉजिटिव चार्ज, नेगेटिव चार्ज, उसका डिस्टेंस 12, सेंटर here, center to positive L, center to negative L, total distance 12. Suppose it is the axial line you have to choose point P. Listen, suppose center here, point to center distance is x. Listen, so you have to find out the net electric field at point P. Listen, suppose you can write dipole have a separation, have a distance, have separation is 12. Listen, point P on axial line at a distance x from center of dipole. Suppose center of dipole is O. From center of dipole O. Listen. So we have to determine net electric field at point P. Net electric field E at point P. Net electric field at point P. So due to suppose due to plus Q, field is E1. Suppose due to plus Q, field is E1. Due to negative charge, due to plus Q, field is E1. Due to negative, field is E2. Yes or no? So due to plus Q charge, due to plus Q charge, electric field at a point is in which direction? In outward direction, E1. Because this is the positive charge, due to positive charge, electric field is outward direction, lines of outward direction. Due to negative charge, electric field is this direction. Yes or no? This direction. Sorry. This direction. Yes or no? So net electric field is E is E2 minus E1, because E2 is greater than E1. E2 is greater than E1 because E2 इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का फॉर्मूला क्या है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज इक्वल टू बीटा क्यू बाई आर स्क्वायर. बीटा क्यू E2 is equal to beta q by this separation between this, that means this direction is, this distance is क्या है x minus l square. Similarly E2 means beta q by x plus L square, that means E2 is greater than E1. Listen, so here you have to write E1 is beta q by x plus L square. Similarly, E2 is beta q by x minus L square. This one, so net electric field E, because E2 beta q is the same, but x plus L square, x minus L square. X minus L square is less, x plus L square is greater. This is the greater, that means E1 is the small, then E2. So E1 is less than E2. So net electric field, we have to write net electric field is equal to E2 minus E1 beta q by x minus L square minus beta q by x plus L square. So beta q you can doing it common. So 1 by x minus L square minus 1 by x plus L square. So E is equal to beta q x plus L square x minus L square by a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square, that means x square minus L square. This one. So beta q a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square means 4xl. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. This one formula. So 4xl divided by square minus L square. This one. So net electric field is beta q 4xl square. This one. This is the main formula, but here in ideal case we have already known. Here ideal case, the L square is much less than x square. So L square negligible to 0. Yes or no? So you can write two beta x 2 ql divided by x fourth x square to the power square. Yes or no? So E is equal to what? 2 beta x p by x fourth. X cancel x cube. So E is equal to 2 beta p by x cube. So E is equal to 2 beta p by x cube, or E proportional to 1 by x cube. So you can write a note down the direction of electric field. Net electric field directed टूवर्ड सेंटर। ये सुन, तो नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड is directed towards center of dipole, and डाइपोल मोमेंट का डायरेक्शन कितना कहाँ पे होगा? डाइपोल मोमेंट डायरेक्शन नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव, सो डाइपोल मोमेंट डायरेक्शन हियर, net electric field direction in this direction, dipole moment direction in this direction. That means same. That means at axial position you can write, note down, in axial position the direction of net electric field is same with direction of dipole moment, same with direction of dipole moment. So no, this is the all about the electric field on axial position. Then after we can find the electric field on equatorial position in dipole. Yes or no? So make a heading electric field, at any point on equatorial position or broadside position or Tanby position in dipole. Yes or no? So you can write, so it is the electric field at any point on equatorial line or broadside position. So electric field at any point on equatorial line or broadside position, equatorial line position or broadside position in dipole. Yes or no? So you can draw the dipole plus Q minus Q. So the lining joining at the center, suppose O, equatorial position is here, suppose this is the point P, you have to determine the electric field at point P. This is the equatorial position, suppose this point is A, this point is B, so this point is P, due to plus Q, electric field direction is what? Electric field direction is in this direction, that is E1. Suppose due to minus Q, electric field is what? This direction E2. Yes or no? So you can write, suppose consider the dipole consists of plus Q and minus Q, and separation between, it is my and symbol, separation between them is 12. So the point P is placed on equatorial line. This is the equatorial line. On equatorial line at a distance, suppose if the distance is x, at a distance x from center of dipole O. So you can determine net electric field at point P. Net electric field at point P. Listen. So you can write due to plus Q electric field, due to plus Q electric field E1 towards AP lines, AP lines. Soon, similarly, due to negative charge field E2 towards PB lines, Listen. So E1, so E1 is equal to beta Q by, this is the L. Listen, this is 2L. This is L. This is X. This is AP is what? X square plus L square root 1, because OP is what? X. OA is what? L. Listen, OA is L. OP is X. AP means the Pythagoras formula, x square plus L square root 1. So beta Q by x square plus square, that means E1 is equal to beta Q by L square plus x square. Similarly, E2 means similarly would be here OA is equal to would be. Listen, similarly PB means similarly x square plus L square root 2. Beta Q by x square PB square. E2 means E2. Beta Q by PB square. PB means x square plus L square root 1 square. That means x square plus L square. So E1, magnitude of E1 is equal to magnitude of E2. Listen. So this electric field direction is E2 direction is PB lines, E1 direction is AP lines. So but magnitude is equal. So the net electric field is perfectly middle line. Suppose this is the angle 2 theta. Perfectly angle electric field E. This is the theta. Because this is the same magnitude. But net electric field between two electric field is perfectly middle angle between E1 and E2, because E1 magnitude of E1 is equal to E2. So that's why that means this is theta. That means this theta means this is also theta. This is theta. That means this FP is equal to PP. That means this is also theta. This is also theta. Yes or no? So you can write net electric field you can draw. Suppose this is the P point, this is the E1, this is the E1, this is the E2, this is the E2. Yes or no? This is the electric field E. Yes or no? This is angle P, angle A. Yes or no? Plus Q minus Q. Yes or no? So your net electric field E is equal to what? This is the angle theta, this is the angle theta. E1, here E1 has two components in this direction. In this direction E1 cos theta, in this direction E1 sin theta. Yes or no? Similarly E2 is here. E2 is the at an angle theta to the horizontal. So E2 has two components in this direction E2 cos theta, in this direction E2 sin theta. We have already known magnitude of E1, E2 is equal, sin theta is equal, so it is cancel each other. So net electric field E is what? Only horizontal line. That means E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. Because E1 is equal to E2, so net electric field is equal to 2E1 cos theta. Because here E1 magnitude is equal to E2 magnitude. Yes or no? E1 magnitude E2, then means it is cancel each other, only determine in horizontal line. Horizontal line is what? This direction. In this direction, due to E1 is E1 cos theta, due to E2 is E2 cos theta. Total electric field E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta is equal to due to magnitude of E1 is equal to E2. So net electric field is equal to 2E1 cos theta. So you can also write E2 cos theta. Yes or no? So E. We have already known E is what? Beta Q by x square plus L square, x square plus L square. Yes or no? So 2E1 cos theta is what? Cos theta means this. Suppose cos theta is here. Cos theta means this by this cos theta. That means FP you can write cos theta is what? O, this is O. Yes or no? Cos theta. This is theta angle. Yes or no? This is the O, the dipole. O. That means cos theta is equal to OA by FP. OA by FP. OA means L. L by FP means square plus L square root over. This one. So 2E1 is beta Q by x square plus L square into cos theta. Though you can write instead of cos theta is equal to L by x square plus L square. This one. So E is equal to beta 2QL divided by x square plus L square to the power what? 3 by 2. Yes or no? So So E is equal to what? Here L square is equal to 0, negligible. So E is equal to beta T x q. So E proportional to x q, 1 by x q is 1. But directed is, here net electric field directed is what? Net electric field is directed what? This is the E1, this is the E2, this is the E. That means the positive charge, negative charge is 1. That means dipole moment. Net electric field is direction. Dipole moment direction क्या है? Dipole moment direction P, negative to positive. But net electric field is E. So the net direction of net electric field is the opposite direction of dipole moment. So you can write. Note down. Note the direction of electric field. Net electric field is opposite direction to opposite direction to dipole moment. That means in axial position, net electric field dipole moment is same direction. In equatorial position, dipole moment direction and net electric field direction is opposite direction. Yes or no? So this is all about the equatorial position, axial line or equatorial. Then after next class we can study then next topic. Yes or no? So the next topic, the torque. The next class we have discussed. Yes or no? We will discuss next class.